y'all, and I'm going to do wings on the Gotham Steel crisper tray in my air fry oven. And you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order this online. Super affordable, comes in a variety of different colors. I got the copper color just because it looked different, but let's go ahead and get the wings on here and I'm going to show you what this does. So here they are right here, uncooked obviously. Put them on the Gotham Steel air fry crisper tray. Spritz them with olive oil. Put a little bit of garlic powder on them. You can do whatever. I mean, ultimately with wings, once they're done, you'll probably toss them in a sauce. But I'm going to put these in the air fryer oven for 23 minutes at 390. And then I'm going to check the degree of doneness and probably crisp them at 400 in the air fryer for probably up to an additional 5 minutes. But let's go ahead and get started here. So one of the great things about this Gotham Steel air fry crisper tray is the size. I mean, that's a pack of wingettes and drumettes, but I've got plenty of room. I could do multiple packs. So what I'm going to do now is put this in the oven in the air fry mode. Like I said, I'm going to air fry at 390 for approximately 23 minutes, then check, and then we'll probably do 400 for up to 5 minutes. I like a really good and crispy wing. So we'll do air fry, 390, start. And I can turn the light on, I can see it in progress there. So we're going to let this thing air fry. Notice how quiet that air fryer is. The air fry feature in the oven. And I've linked the oven like I use within this video's description, as well as the Gotham Steel air fry crisper tray.
In the kitchen, hear the wings pop, the sizzle, air fryer on, walks down, working at your screen, eat Greeks, boils, this is why that's soup. Wanna bring to the table, every bite's a riddle. Play with the best things up like a potion. Wrist and golden, you can hear that commotion. Dipping is awesome, yeah, we got that devotion. Air fry perfection, that's wing revolution. Wings on fire, chef Irix insider. Crispy desire makes your taste buds wiser. Wings on fire, chef Irix insider. Crispy desire makes your taste buds wiser.
Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.